In phonics today, we're going to learn how to alphabetize words according to the second letter. So let's just focus on elk, butterfly, and buffalo, the first three words across. So we know elk would come last because it starts with an E. So how would I know to spell the list with butterfly or buffalo first? How will we know that when both words begin with BU? So you have to go to the third letter in that case. So look at the T in butterfly, look at the F in buffalo. We know F comes before T in the alphabet. So if I were ordering elk, butterfly, and buffalo according to alphabetical order, we're going to put buffalo first, butterfly second, and elk third. Let's do the next row across. Hill, bats, grizzlies. Which word comes first according to alphabetical order? In this case, all three words begin with a different letter. This one's going to be easy peasy lemon squeezy. We have H, B, and G. So let's write that down here. H, B, G. We know B comes first in the alphabet. Now, how do we know about H or G? Which letter comes first? Sometimes you have to sing the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. So G for grizzly would be second and H for hill third. Let's do the final row across. Eagle, coyote, geysers. Sounds like all of these words are still about national parks and camping. So let's compare E and eagle, C and coyote, G and geysers. Which comes first? C for coyote, then E for eagle, finally G for geysers. And there you have it, your alphabetical order practice. Now I would like to work on special sounds. Okay, so let's pretend that I was going to ask you to work on what and well, WH, and who, WH, in wrinkle, WR, in sailor, OR, in worms, WOR. And I want you to stand, or you could spell a special sound if you hear the special sound in the word. So let's practice. If I said in wrinkle and the word was watermelon, should you sit or stand? You should stay seated because watermelon starts with wa in wash, W-A. The special sound I asked you to listen for was in wrinkle, W-R. So you can either write it out on scrap paper or play sit and stand with me. Here we go. Listen for the special sound, what in whale. If you hear what in whale, stand up. Whispered. It's spelled W-H, what in whale, good. The next one, I want you to listen for in wrinkle, unwritten, unwritten. Did you hear it after un and unbutton? W-R, in wrinkle. And then in the word unwritten, W-R, in unwritten, or in wrinkle. Okay, the next one to listen for, in sailor, O-R, worth. O-R is in worth, and it's pronounced in sailor, O-R. Okay, how about color? Do you hear in sailor, in color? Yes, you did. At the end of the word color is in sailor, O-R. Let's do were and worms. So I want you to focus on listening for were in worms. W-O-R. Here is your word. World. You should be standing because you should have heard were in worms. W-O-R. Were in worms is also in were in world. W-O-R. Okay, let's practice. I want you to get a piece of scrap paper and write these special sounds for leaf, thread, stake. Did you write? We can erase and do it on our whiteboard. Did you write E-A, E in leaf, E in thread, A in stake? Okay, now write the clue words for this special sound. E in key, A in obey. So we have key, special sound is EY for the clue word key. Then we have obey, the special sound is EY, A in obey, EY. Okay, now I want you to do the special sounds you hear in one word. The word is unthankful. Okay, so we got un and unbutton, U in thick, T-H, ink and bank, A-N-K, full and beautiful, F-U-L. This word had 4 special sounds. There's 2 more to practice. The next one is refreshing. If you have some scrap paper near you, write refreshing. So you would have circled re and redo, R-E, fur and frog, F-R, sh and ship, S-H, ing and pointing, I-N-G, and now go back and mark your vowel. The E, it says in elephant, so refreshing. And now the final word to practice. Somebody's trying to say hello on our video. Saturday. So I want you to write Saturday on your paper. That was Abby trying to bomb my video with the dog. Okay, So we've got in nurse, day, A in pray. Go back and mark your vowel. Saturday. I missed doing our around the world special sounds with you guys. Okay, next I would like you to write abbreviations for me on your scrap paper. Write the abbreviation for January. January is spelled J-A-N-U-A-R-Y. To abbreviate it, write a capital J followed by A-N, and remember, put your period to show it's an abbreviation. Next, abbreviate Monday, the second day of the week. Monday. Now abbreviate it, shorten it. That would be capital M-O-N period for Monday. The next one, doctor. We know doctor is a title, so to spell it, we spell doctor like that, and to abbreviate it, keep that capital D, put an R with a period, doctor. The final one, abbreviate yard, as in a measurement in our math. There are 36 inches in a yard. So we spell yard, and now we abbreviate it, Y-D period. Okay, let's play sit down, stand up. If I call out a sentence and it's incomplete, I want you to sit down. If I call out a sentence and it's complete, I want you to stand up. Okay? So I'll do my finger and pretend it's you. If it's incomplete, sit down. If it's complete, stand up. At the park, incomplete. Where is the slide? Complete. Swinging with friends, incomplete. The sun is shining, complete. Okay, now as I read a sentence to you, I want you to think about what type of sentence it is and which words in the sentence should be capitalized. So we have two jobs. What kind of sentence, which words should be capitalized? Dad and Grandma will take us to the park on Friday. That was a telling sentence, declarative. You should capitalize Dad, Grandma, Friday. Those are special words. Number 2, is it Friday yet? Interrogative, because it asked a question, and you should have capitalized is and Friday. Number 3, tell Dad I am ready to go. Tell Dad I am ready to go. That would be imperative. It's a command. It ends in a period. So let's capitalize tell and Dad. The last one. I love this beautiful April weather. Exclamatory, lots of expression. Put an exclamation mark on the end. Did you say to capitalize I and April? You did right. Okay, I think we covered it all for our phonics lesson today. So remember to open up your phonics book, your phonics and English workbook, and you're going to do your basic level to get your grade today. Okay, if you do the extra, be sure to let me know you're doing extra by doing all the problems and possibly even the back side. This is wonderful practice and it keeps you sharp, keen, fresh, ready for 3rd grade. Gonna knock it out of the ballpark. Love you guys.